Hi everyone, I am Tanay from Intrazo. Today we are at Aparna Sarovar Zenith, Hyderabad to showcase our 3 BHK premium interiors. This home features a contemporary design theme. We have also incorporated a light shade of veneer in some spaces to add natural warmth and texture, creating a clean yet inviting aesthetic. In the living area, we have designed an entertainment unit where for the TV backdrop, we have designed a veneer panel with grooves, and for the center, we have done a golden PVD T profile. We have also added cove light behind it, and for the backdrop, we have done a laminated wall paneling. We have done the base unit with fluted laminate drawers. On either side, we have added 2 tall units with black frame aluminum shutter with tinted glass. Inside, we have added profile light and couple of shelves. This is the emphasized part of the house where customer wanted open storage. So we have done open shelving and we have also incorporated spotlights. The platform we have done it in Quartz, and on the side walls we have done the tiles. Bottom, we have done the shutters on MDF and Decor with a gold color profile. For the sofa back wall decor, we have done intricate wall trims, and on either side we have added wall mounted lights. We have done a peripheral false ceiling with cove lighting and COB lights, and we have done geometrical POP beading. We are in the kitchen now. We have designed a U-shaped layout. For the entire kitchen, we have used Senosan acrylic from Austria. For the countertop and the wall dado, we have used Kalinga Nova Quartz for the entire kitchen. We have provided hob and chimney from Hafele. To the corner, we have given a open box storage with profile light inside. And we have also given a quartz sink which is from Blanco. And for the entire kitchen, we have used edge profile handles for the opening mechanism, one corner space with Blum corner tandem box. Each of them has a weight carrying capacity of up to 65 kg. To the other corner, we have treated it with a Hafele Magic Corner unit. We designed an inbuilt dishwasher which is from Hafele. We have designed a tall unit with inbuilt appliances. Here we have a push to open storage. We have the microwave from Hafele and the oven from Hafele. We designed a Legra box pantry unit with push to open shutter. Inside we have the Legra box drawers which has 40 kg each weight capacity. To the other side, we have designed a crockery storage where we have the openable shutter storage for the base unit. And for the wall unit, we have designed a black aluminum frame with clear glass. We have planned the provision for the refrigerator, and above we have given the loft area storage. We have also planned a complete flat false ceiling with profile light and COB lights. Over here in the dining area, customer wanted some extra storage, so we have come up with a wardrobe hinged in techno matte finish with a full length shutter which comes with a push to open mechanism. We highlighted the other side of the dining wall with stone cladding. To create a spatial differentiation between living and dining, we have done a POP false ceiling with grooves. In the living, dining and the kitchen area, we have also done wooden flooring which is from green panel. We are in the beautiful master bedroom. Client wanted a rich look, so we have designed with a mixture of beige, gold and mirror. Over here we have a full-length lacquered glass Aristo sliding wardrobe. Inside we have given space for hanger, and we have also provided a multi-purpose unit. Along with that, we have also given a trouser pull-out. We adjacently designed a bay window seating unit with cushion for seating. We have also provided a bottom storage, and we did a laminated paneling with spotlights on top. We have provided a king-size cot with hydraulic storage. Alongside, we have done the side cushion padding. Along with that, we have done a linear tufting headboard with 2 side tables. For the wall decor, we have done a laminated paneling with cushioning along with gold T profiles. Right next to it, we have designed intricate wall trims. To the other side, we have cleverly designed a study cum dressing unit where we have provided a couple of drawers, and behind the mirror we have added the cove lighting. And for the study wall unit, we have given open box storage, and inside we have also given the profile lighting. Opposite to the cot, we have done a Ottoman bed with gold coated legs. We have done a POP peripheral false ceiling with cove lighting and COB lights. To the middle, we have designed a geometric POP beading design, and we have also done the cutout for the AC. Now we are in the guest bedroom, where we have designed a king-size cot with storage along with a linear tufted headboard, and on one side we have provided a single side table with a hanging light on top. To the other side, we have a openable wardrobe hinged in laminate finish, where we have given a black matte handles. Inside we have given couple of shelves, and on the top we have added a push to open loft storage with blum tip-on mechanism. And to the exposed side of the wardrobe, we have designed a full-length mirror. We have also provided blinds for all the windows and a sliding mesh door. We are into the kids' bedroom now, where we have designed a low-height cot with linear tufted headboard. Here we have given a laminated floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with silver T profile. Inside we have given the hanger space. We have designed a peripheral with island false ceiling. Along with that, we have given cove lighting and COB lights. In the common area, we have designed a L-shaped cozy seating unit where we have given fabric for the seating and the headrest. Bottom, we have done a MDF with Decor shutters for the storage with tip-on mechanism. For the wall decor, we have done a wall trim with bronze bevel mirror, and on the other side, we have done the tiles work. For the false ceiling, we have done the POP cornice design with COB lights.